Okay, so in the previous video, we're talking about the column space. So if we can define the column space, then in a similar fashion, we can define a row space. Now, the row space of a matrix So this states that suppose A is an n by n matrix. Right. Then the row space of A which we'll define as RA, is the column space of A transpose. Okay, i.e., in other words, R of A is equal to the column space of A transpose. All right, so now the nice thing about thinking about it in this form is that all previous results related to the column space directly apply to the row space. All right. So, one thing to note here is that the column space, right? A is n by n. So the column space we saw was a subset of R to the m, and then the row space will be a subset of R to the n. All right, depending on the size, right? If they are square, then they will be both subsets of R to the n. So let's take a look at an example here. So for our example, we just straightforward find the row space of the matrix A, which we define as 1, 2, 1, 7, 0, 1, 1, 4, 1, 0, 1, 5, 2, 1, 0, 5, and then 1, 1, 2, 9. Okay, so I'll use the same approach that I did with the column space, where the first step would be to take the transpose. So that gives me 1, 2, 1, 7, 0, 1, 1, 4, 1, 0, 1, 5, 2, 1, 0, 5, and then 1, 1, 2, 9. Okay, so here we'll do that. Then we'll reduce row echelon form. And that leads me to the matrix 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0. We have 3 halves, negative 2, 1 half, 0, and 0, 1, 1, 0. Okay, so we can see here that we have 3 pivots here. All right, so here, that means that from previous results, right, the row space of A, right, a basis of it, right, it's going to be, it tells us to look at the span here, and now we have 3 pivots in those first 3 columns, so we'll go to our original matrix. We have the row space here would be 1, 2, 1, 7. So we write them as column vectors, right? Is a convention 0, 1, 1, 4. And the third one being 1, 1, 0, 1, 5. Okay, and as we saw in the previous section when talking about column space, this set is linearly independent. All right, and it is the same as if I were to take the span of all of the columns of the A transpose.